The Renault 17 of the 1970s was a kind of crossover between a coupé and an estate car. It is one of the brand's classics. Now, the French manufacturer is presenting an Electromod version. The 1.6-litre petrol engine that drove the front wheels in the original is replaced by a 200 kilowatt electric motor on the rear axle. The engine could be closely related to the EPT 200 kilowatts engine that Renault plans to use in its electric cars from 2027, writes Autocar. This motor, which was developed together with Valeo, was announced in autumn 2023 and, like the motors used to date, is designed to work without permanent magnets and, therefore, without rare earth materials. Unlike the brand's previous electrically excited synchronous motors, EEESM, however, the motor is designed for 800 volts. With its 200 kilowatt drive, the IR17 electric Electromod X Ora Ito, the official name of the concept car, is designed to sprint significantly faster than the original combustion engine with a maximum output of 107 horsepower, which, however, also took almost 10 seconds to sprint. In the combustion world of the 1970s that was fast, today it is rather slow. Of course, the original didn't weigh much more than a ton. In the electric Renault 17, a carbon chassis is said to reduce the curb weight to 1.4 tons, while a Renault Megane E-Tech electric weighs around 1.7 tons. The design was developed together with the French designer Ora Ito, Wikipedia. It is as angular as the combustion model, and many body features have also been adopted. For example, the car does not appear to have a roof pillar behind the front window, probably not ideal in terms of crash safety. The yellow headlights of French models from this period were also adopted. However, here they are rectangular and slit-like instead of round, as on the original. Ito also chose angular wheel cutouts. The car will have the same doors, windows and underbody as the original, but will be significantly lower and 17 centimeters wider. The R7 of the 1970s was 4.26 meters long, 1.65 meters wide, and only 1.31 meters high. The cockpit is designed in the style of the 1970s. This includes not only the extravagant shapes of the steering wheel and instruments, but also the brown and beige color scheme. The Electromod study will be on show at the Paris Motor Show in October. Renault also plans to unveil its electric R4 as a production car there, with which the manufacturer is continuing the retro series that began with the electric R5, which will also include an electric Twingo. However, no production version is planned for the R17.